everybody. Weatherman Duff back out here in the middle of Blizzard 2013. I don't know what to call it, Charlotte, Nemo, Charlotte. Who knows? This is the aftermath. I'd say about a good 10 to 20 feet up in the air, all over. Can't see houses. I want to apologize for my absence in the midst of the blizzard. I was stuck in my house. You know, couldn't really do anything. I was able to have a lot of deep thoughts about myself and everything, but now I'm out here. I'll let you know what's going on, how the cleanup's working. And yeah. Any questions, camera lady?
How much snow is there?
I believe I already answered that question. I would say about 10, maybe 20 feet up in the air. So I'm pretty high out. I feel like I'm on Mount Everest right now.
And when are you going to finish our driveway?
Probably next year. So, yeah, don't hold your breath on that one. This is, okay, my leg's gone now, but I'll be back out here